On June 27th and 28th, there's some fun activities for all age groups. There'll be very, very interesting topics, plenty of topics. On the day of the event, what you will see is you can take all these pictures, all jumbled up like that, and then all these different sheets are there, and try and see if you can look for that over here. And you join them like this, or you try to move them around, or you see this shape and you know it is that. And so there's something more to it. There's something more to it than just joining here. Come to the event and I'll tell you more about it.